Checks in addition or subtraction of fractions. We can classify the additions three types: like fractions. Like fractions we can do easy, doing addition or subtraction. For example, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. The LCM is the denominator only. 3 is the denominator, LCM. 2 plus 5. 7 by 3. We can do big numbers also. For example, 12 by 15 plus 7 by 15. So 15 is the LCM of denominator 15. So 12 plus 7. 19 by 15. Like fractions we can do easily. Next, second type. 3, that is no common factor, denominators. Denominators have no common factor. See, for example, 7 by 13 plus 5 by 10. Here denominators have no common factor. In this situation, we will do cross multiplication method using cross multiplication method. 10 into 7, like this. 7 into 10 plus 13 into 5. 13 into 10. 7 into 10, 70, plus 13 into 5, 65 by 130. That equal to 7 into 65, 70 plus 65, 135 by 130. There is no common factor. If there is a common factor, we have to do LCM. Third one is third type. Common factor. Denominators having common factor. If denominators are having common factor, we will do LCM. For example, 8 by 15 plus 3 by 20. Here 15 and 20 have common factor. What is the common factor? 5 is the common factor. So no. So take LCM, 15, 20 LCM. In division method, take 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. There is no common factor. So same numbers you get. A 2 table, again 2 table. The LCM of 15 and 20 is 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30, 32s are 60. 60 is the LCM. Therefore, 60 is the LCM. So take first the numerator into here. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Denominator is 15. 5 3s are 15. What is the rest of digits? 2 into 2, 4. So you can write 4. Easy. Plus 3 into next 20. 2 2s are 4 into 5, 20. What is the remaining number? 3. So 20 in 60 3 times. Here 15 table in 60 4 times. Numerator 3 into 20 table in 60 3 times. So 8 into 4 32 plus 3 into 3 9 by 60. So 32 plus 9 41 by 60. In these three types we can doing additional subtraction in fractions. Easy method.